Dear students, now I am starting with the neurotransmitter. This is my third class. Acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter and it present at all neurons that exit the CNS, that is the cranial nerve, motor nerve, that is neuromuscular junction, at the preganglionic neuron of autonomic nervous system, that is autonomic ganglia, in postganglionic parasympathetic nerve target organ junction, some postganglionic sympathetic ending, that is Sweat gland, and it is also called the sympathetic cholinergic nervous system. It is also found within the brain, that is at the area of the hippocampus, neocortex, thalamus, forebrain. Synthesis. Synthesis at the nerve terminal. At the nerve terminal, choline enters the cell by the choline transporter. Choline reacts with acetyl coenzyme A, forms the acetylcholine and coenzyme A with the help of the choline acetyl transferase. Acetylcholine then incorporated in vesicle by the vesicle associated transporter. When calcium influx at nerve terminal increase, acetylcholine release from vesicle. Acetylcholine then released to the synaptic cleft by the SNAP and VMAP. SNAP means the synaptosome associated protein, and VAMP means the vesicle associated membrane protein. These are the snare protein. This protein is responsible for expulsion of the neurotransmitter like the acetylcholine or adrenaline from vesicle to the synaptic cleft. Fate. Acetylcholine forms degraded after the action is over. Acetylcholine degraded to choline and acetate by the help of the acetylcholine esterase. This is present in the synaptic membrane. Number 2, this choline which is formed now reuptake by the nerve terminal and involved in formation of the acetylcholine, new acetylcholine. Acetylcholine also degraded by pseudocholine esterase present in synaptic membrane. Acetylcholine receptors. There are the two main receptor, muscarinic cholinergic receptor. It is the metabotropic receptor. That is the G protein coupled receptor. These are 5 types, M1 to M5. M1, M4, M5 present in the CNS and ANS. M2 present in the heart. M3 present in the gland and smooth muscle. M4 also present in the pancreas. Nicotinic cholinergic receptor. This is the ionotropic receptor, so it is the ion channel. 5 subunit. It contains the 5 subunit alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. These are 2 types. That is nicotinic cholinergic receptors are 2 types. NM, those found in muscle at the neuromuscular junction. It contains 2 alpha, 1 beta, 1 delta, and either 1 gamma or 1 epsilon. NN, those found at autonomic ganglia and in the central nervous system, contains only alpha and beta subunit. Alpha subunit binds to acetylcholine, and this causes the conformational change of the receptor, and this the as it is the ion channel, the channel opens and there is the increased sodium entry, and this causes the depolarization. This is the picture of the synapse. This is the presynaptic neuron and this is the postsynaptic neuron. Choline enters within the cell by the choline transporter, then choline binds with the acetyl coenzyme A, and with the help of the choline acetyl transferase from the acetylcholine forms the acetylcholine. Acetylcholine incorporated within the vesicle with the help of the vesicular transporter, and then it is released by the snare protein, and after the action is over by the acetylcholine esterase, it forms the choline, and choline again enters within the cell and forms the new acetylcholine. This is the postsynaptic membrane. This is the acetylcholine receptor, nicotinic receptor. This is the ionotropic receptor. It contains 2 alpha, beta, gamma and epsilon, either epsilon or delta. When the nicotinic, this is acetylcholine, when there is the acetylcholine binds with the receptor alpha subunit, there is the conformational change and there is the entry of the sodium within the cell. Applied. Number 1, acetylcholine synthesis inhibition. Hemichollium, it blocks choline transporter. Vesicular storage inhibition. Besamicol blocks VAT, vesicle acetylcholine transporter. Synaptic release inhibition. Botulinum toxin blocks synaptic release of acetylcholine by inhibiting SNAP. Action of the acetylcholine transferase, action of the acetylcholine interference. Number 1, that is the receptor blocker. It is the tubocurarine and the galamine. B, receptor stimulator, that is succinylcholine used in general anesthesia. Acetylcholine esterase inhibitor, that is edrophonium, neostigmine, physostigmine. This is the irreversible acetylcholine esterase inhibitor. Parathione and the diflos, it is irreversible acetylcholine esterase inhibitor. Then atropine, it blocks all type of the muscarinic receptor. Then pyrenzipine, it is selectively blocks M2 receptor of the oxyntic cell and decrease HCl secretion. Next neurotransmitter is the serotonin. It is also called the 5-hydroxytryptamine 5-HT. It is present in platelet and in the gastrointestinal tract. It is the high concentration present. It is also present at the median raphe nucleus, which project to hypothalamus, limbic system, neocortex, cerebellum and spinal cord. Synthesis. From tryptophan, 5-hydroxytryptophan, then 5-hydroxytryptamine. Synthesis, secretion and fate. From tryptophan, 5-hydroxytryptophan, then 5-hydroxytryptamine. Then 5-hydroxytryptamine then transported into the vesicle by the VMAT, vesicle monoamine transferase, and it is secreted and the, after the action is over, it is reuptake by the SCRT, selective serotonin reuptake transferase. Selective selective serotonin transporter, and it enters into the vesicle. Inactivation of the occurs by the MAO and the 5 HIAA, 5 hydroxyindole acetic acid, is formed and excreted into the urine. The marker this is the marker of the serotonin. এটা আবার বুঝে নাও। Tryptophan forms the 5-hydroxytryptophan, then 5-hydroxytryptamine, that is serotonin, is formed, and this transported into the vesicle by the VMAT, and then it is secreted at the nerve terminal. After the action is over, reuptake of the serotonin occurs by the specific selective serotonin transporter, and it occurs and it enters into the vesicle, or it may be inactivated by the MAO, forms the 5 HIAA, 5 hydroxyindole acetic acid, and it is secreted into the urine. Receptors. 7 types of the receptors. These are the G protein coupled receptor, 5-hydroxytryptamine 1 to 7. 5-hydroxytryptamine 2A, that is peptidate aggregation and smooth muscle contraction. 5-hydroxytryptamine 2C, it is responsible for obesity. 5-hydroxytryptamine 3, it is responsible for vomiting. 5-hydroxytryptamine 6, it is responsible for depression, related to depression. Applied. Tricyclic antidepressant inhibit reuptake of the 5-hydroxytryptamine by blocking SCRT. SSRI, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, it is fluoxetine, widely used in treatment of the depression. Ondansetron, it is antiemetic, it is the agonist of the 5-hydroxytryptamine 3. This is the nerve ending serotonergic neuron, and there is the tryptophan, forms the 5-hydroxytryptophan, then 5-hydroxytryptamine. It may by MAO form the 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid, or it is released to the 5-hydroxytryptamine, and then as reuptake occurs, and there is the degradation by the MAO by the 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid. Histamine, it is present in cerebral cortex, spinal cord, gastric mucosa, mast cell. Synthesis of the histamine is from the histidine. Histamine receptor, there is the 4 types of the receptor, H1, H2, H3 and H4 receptor. All are found in both peripheral tissue and in the brain. These are the histamine receptors, H1, H2, H3. H1, location at the dorsal raphe and locus coeruleus. It is responsible, its function is sleep-wake cycle, temperature, pain and appetite. H2, it is located at the basal ganglia, cerebral cortex, hippocampus, cerebellum. It is function is not significant. H3, it is present in the CNS and PNS, peripheral nervous system, and it is responsible for pain, gastric acid secretion, and food intake. Newly found H4 receptor mainly present in peripheral tissue, basophil and bone marrow, regulating immune system. Applied. Number 1, first generation H1 blocker, that is antihistaminics, cross the blood-brain barrier and produce sedation. H2 blocker ranitidine cause decreased HCl secretion, and it is also responsible for erectile failure. Catecholamines. New neurotransmitter is catecholamines, norepinephrine and epinephrine. It is present at most sympathetic postganglionic ending and stored in the varicosity and at the varicosities area. It is present in adrenal medulla. It is present in brain, that is local ceruleus, spinal cord, cerebellum, hippocampus, thalamus, and entire neocortex. Norepinephrine and epinephrine stored in synaptic granulated vesicle. Biosynthesis and release. Phenylalanine forms the tyrosine and enters in neuron by the sodium dependent carrier. Then from tyrosine forms the dopa, and from dopa then dopamine, and dopamine enters into the vesicle by the vesicular monoamine transferase, and there is the formation from dopamine to norepinephrine. Norepinephrine then comes out from the vesicle and forms the epinephrine. This epinephrine enters into the vesicle again, and both norepinephrine and epinephrine is stored and within the vesicle, and that is released by the exocytosis by SNAP and VAMPs. Catabolism. Norepinephrine and epinephrine and norepinephrine are metabolized to biologically inactive product by monoamine oxidase and catechol O-methyl transferase, MAO and COMT. Epinephrine form vinyl mandelic acid. Norepinephrine form 3,4-dihydroxy mandelic acid and subsequently converted to vinyl mandelic acid. PET. Binding to the pre and postsynaptic receptor, there is the reuptake. It is the major mechanism for the norepinephrine. There is the catabolism. This is the sympathetic action terminal, and there is the entry of the tyrosine with sodium. With the help of the sodium, tyrosine forms dopa, then dopamine, and then dopamine enters within the vesicle and forms the norepinephrine. Norepinephrine then forms the epinephrine, and epinephrine again enters within the vesicle, and both norepinephrine and epinephrine released at the synaptic terminal. After the action is over, there is the again norepinephrine again reuptake occurs by the norepinephrine transporter, and there is the blocking action of the metidosine SRPine at this site, beryllium and guanethidine at this site, snare proteins, and cocaine tricyclic antidepressant prevent entry of the norepinephrine at the synaptic terminals. Adrenoreceptors. Two types of the adrenoreceptor, alpha and beta. Both are the G protein coupled receptors. That is the uh, metabotropic receptor, and alpha receptor, that is the alpha 1, and alpha 1 are three types: alpha 1a, 1b, 1d. These are the alpha 1 is the excitatory types, and this binds with GQ and bind PLC, phospholipase C, and there is formation of the IP3 DAG, breaking of the PIP3 and formation of the IP3 DAG, and increased calcium within the cell, and this is present in the smooth muscle and heart. Alpha 2 are three types: alpha 2a, alpha 2b, and alpha 2c. These are inhibitory type and binds with the GI, the G protein coupled receptor inhibitory subunit, and this causes the decreased cyclic AMP. Also activate inward rectifying potassium channel, and this cause decreased potassium in the cell, and this cause the hyperpolarization and inhibit the neuronal calcium channel. These are present in CNS and pancreatic islet. Beta receptor is excitatory and binds to the GS and activate adenylate cyclase and increase cyclic AMP and causes the protein kinase A activation. Beta receptor are three types: beta 1, beta 2, and beta 3. Beta 1 present in the heart, beta 2 present in the lung, and beta 3 in the adipose tissue. Applied. Metidazine blocks tyrosine hydroxylase. Esarpine, it blocks VMAT. Beryllium guanethidine prevent release of the norepinephrine by blocking snare proteins. Cocaine tricyclic antidepressant prevent reuptake of the norepinephrine by inhibiting norepinephrine transporter. Alpha 1 antagonist is the phenylephrine. Alpha 2 agonist, alpha 1 agonist is phenylephrine. Alpha 2 agonist is clonidine. It causes lowering of the blood pressure. Beta 1 agonist dobutamine, it has the positive ionotropic agent. Beta 2 agonist terbutaline, it is a bronchodilator. Beta blocker are used in treatment of the hypertension. Next, neurotransmitter dopamine. In certain part of brain, that is basal ganglia, limbic system, chemoreceptor trigger zone, anterior pituitary, catecholamine synthesis stops at dopamine level and it is secreted into the synaptic cleft. Reuptake. It occurs via sodium and chloride dependent dopamine transporter. Metabolism. By monoamine oxidase and catechol O-methyl transferase to 3,4-dihydroxy phenylacetic acid, that is DOPAC, and vanillic acid. Location. It is located in two sites, that is the nigrostrial system involved in motor control and mesocortical system involved in motor reward behavior, addiction, schizophrenia. Dopamine receptor. There are 5 types of the dopamine receptor. This is D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. All are the G protein coupled receptor, that is the metabotropic receptors. All divided into two categories. Number 1, D1 like, that is, and number 2 হচ্ছে D2 like. D1 like এর মধ্যে পড়ছে আমার D1 and D5. It is excitatory and binds to GS and thus increase cyclic AMP and IP3 DAC. D2 like এর মধ্যে পড়ছে D2, D3 and D4 type receptor, and it is inhibitory, binds to GI and thus decrease cyclic AMP and intercellular, causes the intercellular potassium and calcium, decreases the level of the intercellular potassium and calcium and thus causes the hyperpolarization of the cell. Both D1 and D2 receptor present in striatum of the basal ganglia. As the D1 receptor is excitatory and D2 receptor are inhibitory, this opposite action makes movement smooth and decrease muscle tone. Applied. In Parkinsonism treatment given levodopa, dopa agonist, that is apomorphine, bromocriptine, pramipexole and ropinirole. COMT inhibitor, that is entacapone, blocks breakdown of the levodopa. MAO-B inhibitor, selegiline, block central dopamine metabolism. In hyperprolactinemia, dopamine inhibit prolactin secretion by dopamine agonist, that is dopamine agonist is example is bromocriptine, cabergoline is used. Atypical antipsychotics, that is clozapine, it is the D4 receptor antagonist used in treatment of the schizophrenia. Domperidone, it is the D2 receptor antagonist used as antiemetic and prokinetics. Tricyclic antidepressant, that is clomipramine, it is a dopa antagonist, is used in depression.